Good morning, children. Let's begin with a thought. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. It means whatever work we are doing, we must do it with 100% devotion, as it will bear the fruits in future. Children, let's move to our next lesson. Lesson number 4, water safe for drinking. Children, you know that water is one of the essential need for functioning of our body. And safe means water which will not harm our body, which will not make us ill. So, let us start with a small experiment. Let us start with the experiment now. For this experiment, we will need a glass full of water, salt, sugar, turmeric powder, wheat flour, washing soda which we use to wash clothes, sand, honey, oil and alum. Children, alum is used to clean the water. We are taking alum powder here for this experiment. Let us add some salt to the water and stir it. What do you see, children? We see that salt disappears. It means salt dissolves completely in water. Now we have to take another glass of clean water. Now we will add some sugar to the water and stir it again for some while. Let us observe. We see that sugar also disappears. It means sugar dissolves in water completely. Children, to take another substance, we need to change the water again. So, let's take clean water again. In this clean water, let us add some turmeric powder and observe. We have to stir it again. We can see a layer of turmeric powder at the bottom. It means that turmeric powder do not dissolve in water. Now we have to change the water again to experiment with another substance. We will add some washing soda to this water now and stir it again. Children, observe carefully. We see that washing soda too disappear, means it dissolves completely in water. Again we have to change the water. Now in this clean water we will add some wheat flour and observe it. If we observe carefully, we see that flour is settled at the bottom. It means wheat flour do not dissolve in water. So, we have to change the water again to experiment with another substance. In this clean water, we will add some honey and stir it. Children, if we observe carefully, we see that honey disappears, means it dissolves completely in water. To take another substance, we need to change the water again. So let's change it. Now let us see what happens with oil. Add some oil to the water and stir it. We observe that oil do not dissolve in water. So children, we have to change the water again to experiment with another substance. Now we will take alum and let us see whether alum dissolves in water or not. If we observe carefully, alum too disappear in the water. It means alum dissolves in water. To check with another substance, let us change the water again. Let us add sand to the water and observe. Children, even after stirring, we see that a layer of sand is formed at the bottom. It means sand do not dissolve in water. So children, from this experiment, we come to know that some substances dissolve in water and some substances do not dissolve in water, like salt, sugar, honey, washing soda and alum dissolves in water, whereas turmeric powder, wheat flour, oil and sand do not dissolve in water. So children, from this experiment, we come to know that some substances dissolve in water and some do not. We will continue in the next video. Till then, happy learning!